Hey guys. Okay, so obviously we're gonna be playing with some squishies and testing out Walmart. Now today I went to Walmart and I bought a whole bunch of squishy stuff and I want to see if they are worthy. Okay? I want to see if their stuff is good. Duh. Okay, so obviously we're gonna start with this one because I can't stop playing with it. Now this one is really, really, really squishy. Like really squishy. And it's really stretchy. So that one's pretty good. And the one that I really, really want to test out, because on the back of, this had a box, this was in a box, and it said that this was super stretchy. And you guys, look at this. Does this look super stretchy to you? Yes, it does, because this is a camera, it's not reality. Okay, so I'm going to take a little tiny piece of it, and I'm going to, okay, so this sounds amazing. Okay, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it sounds amazing. Okay, so let's see if this is stretchy. No, Walmart, you'll be lying to me. This is that kinetic foam stuff. It sucks. Okay, moving on. Now, I really want to test these out because it says that these are strong and that the nuts won't break if you squeeze them. And a lot of these have broken when I squeeze them. So I'm going to start out with this red one. Well, orange one, not red one. Okay. Okay, so, yeah, let's just... Oh, this one is pretty good. Yeah, it didn't break. There's no dents in it. Nothing. Okay. Now I'm going to do this green one. Now I have a feeling that on the inside of this, it's going to be orange because this one is green on the inside and orange on the outside. So I have a feeling it's going to be the opposite. Let's see this. Yeah, it's totally the opposite. Okay. Now this one, I don't know when it's gonna be, so let's just squeeze. Oh, it's green too. Okay, so the best out of all of these mesh balls, 1 minute. I lost one. The best out of all 3 of these mesh balls would have to be this green one. It's the squishiest. It's really, really squishy, you guys. I know I do not want to cut these open anytime soon. For one reason, this is not a squishy. It's just like putty, okay, non-stretchable putty. And these, I spent $10 on all 3 of these. And I wasted $100 on a lot of stuff at the Walmart. Because I was just like, okay, I'm just going to get one thing. Just one single squishy. This is what happened. Okay, well, bye. Make sure you give a big thumbs up. Because giving thumbs up is good. Okay, bye.